Hi, I'm Jason Wehrli. Welcome to WCFab. Today we have our 2017 and 19 L5P Duramax Stage 2 High Flow Bundle Kit. So for our Stage 2 High Flow Intake Kit, we start with our 4-inch intake kit. This is a very popular component that we sell for the L5P Duramax. It starts with our fabricated aluminum 4-inch airbox, which has the same hole cut out in the top, similar to the OEM unit, with a double bulb seal to seal the airbox to the hood, making use of the factory ram air style induction. The airbox houses the dry high flow air filter with outerwear's pre-filter cover. The pre-filter cover is a water repellent piece that is designed to keep larger debris from clogging up the cleats of the air filter. The cover itself is washable and reusable, while the air filter, you can blow it out with compressed air a couple times, but is meant to be a disposable, replaceable air filter. The air filter is connected to our 4-inch aluminum heavy-duty 14-gauge intake pipe with mass airflow sensor placement. We have a lot of time in developing our 4-inch intake, both on the flow bench and on vehicles, putting on a lot of miles and testing to get the mass airflow sensor in a location that does not trip engine lights or cause any poor engine performance, which allows this kit to be installed without any tuning and with emissions intact. We have a rubber seal which goes around the opening of the airbox for the pipe to seal to, and the intake pipe connects to our turbo inlet horn with the 4-inch silicone hump boot, which allows a little bit of flex between the engine and the intake system. That connects to our 3.5-inch high flow intake horn, which includes connection port for the OEM PCV system. The 3.5-inch high flow intake horn replaces the OEM plastic unit, which is just under 2.5 inches, and we include a O-ring seal as well as hardware for installation of the intake horn. The remaining components of the Stage 2 kit would include our passenger side and driver side high flow intercooler pipes. On the turbo outlet, we have our high temperature silicone boot with wire reinforcement in the center to lessen any chance of blowing the intercooler boot out on higher boost applications. That connects to our 3-inch mandrel bent 14-gauge heavy-duty aluminum intercooler pipe. This pipe replaces the factory 2.5-inch piece that is actually a 2-piece design with a boot in the center. So we're eliminating a boot, which is a failure point. At the connection to the intercooler, we're using another silicone boot with stainless T-bolt clamps. On the outlet of the intercooler, feeding the cold side, would be our 3.5-inch upgraded intercooler pipe. This replaces the OEM 3.25-inch part, which is made of plastic. And similar to the OEM connection, we use a clip style wire retainer. One benefit to our pipe over the factory unit is we've got a double O-ring design with a healthy amount of lubrication. You pre-install the clip and you slide the pipe on in place. That offers a better sealing connection to the intercooler than the factory single lip seal flange. Then the pipe, as mentioned, 3.5-inch, includes the bung for the temperature sensor, and the outlet of that pipe using another silicone adapter boot to connect to the OEM Y-bridge and throttle valve connection. Again, in front of us here, we've got different colors going on, but when you purchase your kit, you will have the kit all in one color that you choose. We've got 35 standard colors to pick from on the website, or for an additional fee, you can do a custom upcharge order and pick from many hundreds of different colors. So that wraps up our Stage 2 High Flow Bundle Kit for the L5P. Just like our Stage 1 and Stage 3, this is a bolt-on performance upgrade for your L5P that works with emissions and does not require tuning. If you got any questions on the kit or any of the other components that we offer for the L5P, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us on social media. Thanks a lot for watching.